Hello, this is my first video. My name is Chin. So the mango plant watermelon. Watermelon is my third favorite fruit. So you don't know what I have to plant my fruit when I love. So the container here, I going to use and plant the watermelon into, but I will have to bore 4 holes in it. A little bit hardish. Jesus. Too strong, man.
You can just go some punch there, you know. Watch me.
Just jokey?
When you punch, when you go so, right?
Oh.
You turn so.
And that's it.
Yeah. Just turn it slightly. So you look like I eat.
So I'm going to have to punch.
Put 2 more on the middle side. Yeah.
Alright. So
alright, what are you going to do next?
I'm going to put some gravel in at the bottom. You can't afraid to get your hand dirty. When you go to farming.
Wet man, good amount you know that can work. Like when you need flour.
I tell you say water just as
Okay, I can hold a lot of water. That tell you say, you know, throw it away like throw it to your side.
I like to use some more water. Because I'll know you know it properly.
Just use that chicken.
So you don't know it take 1 heap of water. Because the amount of water when me just throw pan and it's still dry.
Yeah, because the perlite absorb the water. So this potting mix hold on to a lot of water. So if you have plants that love water like vegetable, you're going to use it. Okay. Which is a good thing.
Okay. I think that's...
Yeah.
So I go transplant the melon into the container that I just used to show you. So you have to shove the knife all the way down. So the root, you don't want any of the root to break off down there, you know. So you have to know what you're doing when you're planting and see it come up on the root. The soil is still on the root, which
Put
is
it
good.
In the middle.
Get
See, like it have some you see, because of the hot time, it causes here. So when you plant it, you don't want to plant it all the way too deep up so. You understand? Because here so it's fresh, you know, that's part of the stem green.
Yeah.
So the part is hard because of this part in the ground. So if you cover it up all the way so you can burn the sun, then you kill the plant. And you have damp in it. You understand? So when you plant it, yeah. The problem with these, you would never have the light, then go so long. That's why then go so leggy. So normally if you did have this container, we would just plant the seed and we would grow in the container with a far advance rather than just transplant them like that. You understand me? Not that nothing is wrong with the transplanting, but because them grow so leggy, they are at a disadvantage. If you notice where it was touching, look, this was touching on the pot, you know, right here. So this, you saw it look burn. So that's the problem.
Okay.
Yeah. So when you plant it, you have to go mulch them.
Okay.
So you not lay down on the raw potting mix like that.
I will do just that. So I think this is enough. I don't need to
Yeah. So I'm talking about now, when you mulch it now, you take it over for the direct.
The mulch, it will lay down on the mulch.
Yeah, instead of this and cause it to burn. So just get some mulch. You can get some from over there. So
I'm going to mulch it up now. So the mulch keep the root of the plant moist. And as you know, the time hot right now, so it works well with the plant.
Just put the mulch all over in a container.
Everywhere. A little more.
This could be good for me. Lately I was feeling like I need a purpose. But when you talk to me, give me the impression that I won't scratch your surface.
So, ladies and gentlemen, this is the watermelon that was planted by Tanisha. She did an extremely good job. As you can see, they are looking good. She mulched them, and I am having them under a shaded area so that they can fully establish, and then I put them out in the area where they are going to remain for the rest of their productive life. So we have an area that is mulched so the vines can be able to run, because you can't just have them running on the ground or on the stone or anything like that. You have to have mulch area for them to run. So the job was well done. I gave her 9.5 out of 10. Very good.
So I have come to the end of the video, and I hope you guys will like it. And if there is something else that you would like me to plant, you can comment in the comment section and let me know. So peace out, stay blessed you all.